welcome back. As you can see, I'm dressed for winter, so time to let my bike go for a little sleep over winter. So what I'm doing now is I'm actually going to fit this. This is called a battery, well actually it's called Noco, but it's a battery conditioner so that it keeps the battery conditioned over the winter months. So here we go. Okay, so to put this in, what we don't want is we don't want lots of wires over the bike. This can actually be fitted to your bike, and the fitments are actually here underneath the seat. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to attach these clips in here so that anytime I want to lay the bike up for a month or so, I can just attach this and start the conditioning. To take the seats off, it's very simple. With the key, the lock is under here on the Z650. So it goes in, doesn't go in all the way, a little bit, only a quarter turn. And did you hear the click? So it's already raised the seat. Now it's a little bit of manoeuvring to just take that off. That's it. A little bit of wiggling. And part one. On a lot of bikes they have bolts to fit the seat in, the second part of the seat. But on this one it's just a little clip in. So just a little bit of a wiggle again and it just comes off. Simple as that. Okay, so we're going to fit this here directly to the battery, and as you can see you've got the indicators there, positive and negative here. As with all batteries they give you the indicator signs there. So we're going to wire it in here and then bring it through here so that each time we do want to charge that we've already got that fitted. Okay, so this kit comes with the crocodile clips already attached, and what you can do, a 3mm Allen key in here, undo it, and then you can detach it so that you can actually connect this one directly to your battery. So we're going to fit this. I'm just going to push this through here to keep it out of the way while we're fiddling with the battery. So you can see a little lip here, so you really want to get that as flat as you can against your battery. So it's auxiliary, so it's the last piece to go on. So this will go on, and then you'll have this element here, and then all we're going to do is put the screw back in. Nice and firm. Now we've got everything through and wired through, what we've done is we've actually taken the cables through and around here. The reason that we've done that is that the natural flow is actually to go over the top, but if we leave the wires coming over here, the seat may well chafe against that, so we don't want that. So it's gone round the block and then coming up and under, and that's something I prepared earlier. We've actually got cable ties so that we can actually now just tie this through and it doesn't rattle around inside the bike. There, nice easy access. They can only go one way. Right, so press, flip, nice and easy, and that's it. Okay, as you can see, my bike needs a charge, and here's one that is showing the charge already in. So this is Mr. ZedRunner's bike, all nicely charged. Thanks for watching. And as you can see, this is nicely set up, not just for this charge but for future charges, and hopefully you'll find it as easy as I did.